Hey there, Super Explorers! Get ready for a splash-tastic, giggle-filled adventure with the silliest family ever. We're about to zoom, splash, and lev our way through a day that goes from uh-oh to woohoo! Are you ready for some cartoon chaos? Let's go! Look, here comes the most awesome family. Mom, Dad, Lily, and Tom. They're super excited to go fishing on their bright, bouncy boat. "Anchors away!" shouts Dad, and everyone giggles. They cast their lines into the sparkly blue water, hoping to catch a big, funny fish. Lily pretends her fishing rod is a magic wand, making silly, swishy sounds. Tom makes funny fish faces. Oh no, what's happening? The boat is doing a funny wiggle wobble. Glug, glug, glug. Water is splashing right into our boat. A big, bubbly, sinking graphic pops up. But don't worry, it's super silly, not scary. The family makes funny, surprised faces, like they just tasted a sour lemon. But look closely. What are they wearing? Super smart life jackets. Safety first, even when things get a little bit goofy. Woohoo! Our clever family is swimming like little fishies to the nearest dock. They're all safe and sound, thanks to those amazing life jackets. See how important it is to wear them near water? A super friendly cartoon mechanic with a giant wrench waves hello. He points them towards a bright, colorful building. "To the car rental shop," he chirps with a wink. Time for a car hunt. First, Dad tries a super speedy red sports car. Vroom, vroom, he goes, spinning around comically like a dizzy top. "Too fast," everyone laughs. Next, Lily and Tom try a giant blue truck. They can barely see over the steering wheel. "Too big," they giggle, disappearing behind the dashboard. This is a tricky puzzle. Aha! What's that sparkling yellow car? It's a super cool convertible. It's perfect, everyone cheers, jumping with joy. It's just the right size, and it looks so much fun. They all hop in, ready for their next adventure. This car is going to take them somewhere super special. Can you guess where they're headed? Vroom, vroom! They've arrived at the most amazing car restaurant, a drive-thru. The menu is full of giant, cartoonishly delicious burgers and super swirly milkshakes. Yum, yum! They order their yummy treats, and the food appears like magic. Look at those big, happy smiles. This adventure sure made them hungry. The family cheers with their delicious food, taking the biggest, happiest bites ever. What a day of silly surprises and smart choices. They turned a little boat blunder into a super fun car adventure. Want to join more of our playful escapades and learn cool things along the way? Then make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our next exciting, silly videos. See you next time, super friends!